Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about method overriding in Java. Method overriding is the concept where the child class redefines the method that is already defined by the parent class. To have method overriding, there are few rules that has to be followed. Number 1, both of the methods has to be same name. Number 2, both of the methods has to be same number of parameter list. Number 3, both of the methods return type has to be same. Like an example, if we have one class A which has one method called display with one particular definition, and there is one subclass B where we can override the superclass method, so both of the methods has to be of the same name, so the name should be display, the return type should be same, and also the parameter list should be same, and then we can provide one new definition to the child class method, and this way we can override the parent class method in the child class. And whenever we use the child class object and call the method, then it will call the child version of that method, and this is the way we can achieve method overriding in Java. So in this example program we have one superclass A which has the method called display, and this method prints the string class A method onto the console. Now we have one subclass B, and this class inherits the class A. Now if we wanted to override the display method of the superclass, then we can write the return type of both of the methods has to be same, so I'm going to write void, the name has to be same, so I'm going to write display, and their parameter list has to be same. And now I'm going to provide one new definition to the display method, and this method will print class B method. And then we have created object of the class B and called the display method. So now I'm going to save the program. So I'm going to compile and run the program, and you can see the output class B method. So the subclass version of the method is invoked. So in Java we can override the parent class method in the child class by having the same return type, same name of the method, and same parameter list, and by providing one new definition to the subclass method. So whenever we create the object of the subclass and call the method, it will always invoke the child version of the method. So this way we can override the parent class method in the child class. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.